Also, it is of paramount importance that you increase your religious knowledge. Some Ahmadis become anxious or fearful when allegations are leveled against Islam, Ahmadiyyat. However, if you have a deep knowledge of your faith, you will not feel anxious or worried. Instead, you will be equipped with the intellectual capability to address any criticism or false allegations made against our religion and beliefs. So you must study the Holy Quran and read the books of the Prophet Islam, many of which have been translated into English. As is often said, knowledge is power. So if you have religious knowledge, it will not only strengthen your faith, but will also empower you to respond to the opponents of Islam and to guide those who are weaker in faith. It will enable you to stop those who seek to incite division within the Jamaat. Therefore, as member of the Waqf Now scheme, recognize that you are soldiers serving in the righteous cause of Islam's spiritual army. It is not a physical battlefield upon which you have been called to serve. Rather, it is a spiritual arena that you have presented yourself for duty. And your task is to enlighten mankind to the truth and magnificence of the teachings of Islam.